Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we have very important discussions related to the topic of the permutations. And in this video, I will try to solve different kinds of techniques to apply permutations questions. And inshallah, hopefully, after completion of my this video, you will be able to resolve, or you will be able to solve all kind of the questions related to the your past paper questions. So in the next video, inshallah, I will upload related to the questions which based on the techniques of the combinations. And in my previous video, we have discussed that when you will apply a concept of permutations and the concept of the combinations. Okay, today we focus related to the topic of the permutations, and we will apply some different techniques to solve the questions and what kind of the questions you may have in your past paper question. First of all, it is very common questions that number of different digits maybe are given. Let's say in, for example, for example, one important things or the very commonly practice or the test questions which is going to be tested by the examiner is that series of the number is given. Let's say the number series is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the number series. Okay, first of all, you know that these are 11 numbers, and in this 11 number series, some are, for example, related to the odd numbers, some are odd numbers, some are even numbers, and some are the divisible of 5, or the some are divisible of 10. You got my point? So what I am saying, the numbers are related to the odd numbers, number are related to the even number, and the numbers are divisible by particular 5, 2 or 10. Because these kind of the questions examiner test in your final exams, make a number of combinations which are divisible by 5, or which may be a divisible of 3, and so on. Clear? So today, first of all, you should know about which one is a odd number in this series, which are even number, or which are the divisible by 5 or the 10. Okay, so first of all, look at this series. We know that there are 11 numbers. Okay, there are 11 numbers in this series. Okay, now how many and even number are? What are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, and odd numbers are, yes, 1. Okay, 3 is missing here. Okay, 1, 3 and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 1, 3, 5, yes, 7, 9. These are odd numbers. Okay, if we ask you that the number should be divisible by 5, so it means that number should end with 0 or 5. You got my point? If I ask you number that is divisible by 5, so it should end with what? 0 and 0 or 5. Clear? If I ask you a number is divisible by 10, number that is divisible by 10, so it should ends it should end not ends it should end with what? 0. Okay, if it is divisible by 10, so it should end with 0. Okay, or if I ask you, for example, or examiner ask you, make a 5-digit number, make a 5-digit number. Examiner ask you, make a 5-digit number, make a 5-digit number that is greater than 50,000. It is 5-digit number. 50,000 is 5-digit number.
Yes.
That is greater than 50,000. So what does it mean? When the number will be greater than 50,000, so it means that it always start with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes.
Okay, you got my point? So it always start with what? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9.
And 10 as well.
No, 10 is not a number. 9 is the maximum greater number. Okay. So 9 is the larger number. So 10 is not the larger number. Okay. So yeah, largest number is 9. Okay. So if I say you make a 6-digit number, clear? Make a 6-digit number. So it means that it will be greater than not the 50,000. 6-digit number always will be greater than 5 lakh, 7 lakh. Why? Because reason is that 6-digit numbers is depends on the value of lakhs. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So if I say you make a 6-digit number that is greater than what? किससे होगा? 7 lakh, am I right? Or 5 lakh? It won't be greater than 50,000 because 50,000 it's not itself a 6-digit number. So when you have a questions to make a 5-digit number, so there will be a conditions which related to greater than 50,000, 70,000, 6,000. If I say that the number is greater than 50,000, so what are the possible digits? 6, 5, 6, 7 and 9. If the number is greater than 7,000, so what are the possible condition? 5-digit number, 5-digit number greater than 70,000. Okay, greater than 70,000. So what are the possible? The number should be start from 7, 8, 9. So number should start. Number should start 7, 8, 9. Okay, you got my point? Okay. Up now, if I ask you that number should be odd number, okay, odd number I have covered here, even number I have covered here, and possibility of the divisibility I have covered here, and so on. The other condition is greater than and less than. So these all are the restrictions to make or to solve conditions or to solve questions of permutations. So these are different requirement and restrictions. Acha, okay. What will be the without restricted questions? I ask you make a 5-digit number. ठीक है? What are the possible ways? So how you will solve? Just what will be the condition? How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. So 11p 5. Okay. This question does not have any restrictions. So these are the possible restrictions which test related to the number series questions in your exam paper. Clear? And there are another kind of the questions. What are the another kind of the questions which are related to the symbols and the letters? And what is the questions to make a password? Okay, what is the questions to make a password which based on characters, symbols and the letters? Clear? Up now, there are some other restrictions. K means your number should end with 0 and your number should not start with 0. There are another kind of the restrictions. What are the restrictions? Number should not start with 0. Okay. Second, another kind of the restriction is number should not end with 0. Number should not end with 0. So these are the multiple kind of the restrictions you may have in your exam paper. Okay. So now first of all, we are trying to solve questions related to the number series. Then we will solve the questions related to the letters and the passwords. What kind of the letters and the password questions? Just I mentioned you here. For example, for example, letters A, B, C. Okay. Numbers for example 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And characters for example hash, dollar, or euro. These are the characters. Okay. What kind of the questions examiner may ask, or what kind of the restrictions may be involved during questions or related to your permutation questions. Okay. First of all, without restricted questions, make a 6-digit password. What are the possible ways? Basic question, without restriction. Without what? Make a 6-digit password. Okay, password. So basic question is count just total. Okay, count just total. Count just total. How you will count just total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 numbers, characters and letters. Total is 9. So total is 9. So 6-digit number is what? 9p6. Right? So without restriction, 9p6. You can solve it yourself. Okay? Yeah. And what kind of the restriction is that? Examiner may ask you the 6-digit letter, the 6-digit password should start with letters only. The 6-digit password should start with letters only. The 6-digit password should start with letters. What does it mean? If you have 6-digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here in this place, you always have letter. Am I right?
Yes.
So this is one kind of the restrictions related to these questions. Another kind of the question is that end of password should be with character. Okay, end of password, another kind of restrictions, end of password should be with character. Character are dollar and euro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you will have any one of them. Okay, here you will have any one of them. Here you will have any one of latter. Am I right? Clear?
Now how to solve them?
Yeah, I will solve. Just a minute. I'm just going to explain what kind of the questions you may have in your exam. Okay, or what kind of the restrictions you have during your questions or at the time of your exams to solve a particular permutations questions. Okay, if you will understand these concept, so I will solve quickly, and inshallah hopefully you will be able to understand or solve questions yourself, all the past paper questions. Okay, yeah, it is very simple, don't worry. And now, what kind of the another restrictions you think yourself? I say that in the password, 6-digit numbers, the password is 6-digit number. So it is possible I say there should not be any numbers in the password. Okay, there should not be any number in the password. There should not be any number in the password. Okay, so it is again, so it means that out of 9 you will have 6. Out of 9 you will have 6. 6 have been subtracted. Am I right? Because you will not count 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
So it means that what will be the possible way? 6p6. Am I right?
Why?
Why? Because we have subtracted numbers. Numbers are not the part of our password. So our password is based on letters and characters only. It is another kind of the restriction. Clear? This is the selection R and this is total number. It is N and this one is R. Clear, bilkul? Okay. Now, if I say at least one character should be in password. At least one character. What does it means? कम से कम एक हो और उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. एक लाजमी होना चाहिए. ओके, तो अब हम क्या करें? नाउ आई विल सॉल्व विदाउट कैरेक्टर. सही है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दैट इज टोटल आउटकम्स.
Yes.
Total possible ways. If I subtract without characters, what is the without characters?
6p6.
6p6. Okay, so without characters is 6p6. If I subtract 6p6, no, without character is what? Characters are 3.
So 6p6.
No, No. There should not be any numbers in the password. Clear? पासवर्ड में कोई नंबर इंक्लूड नहीं होना चाहिए. तो टोटल नंबर्स आर 6. Okay. And one thing. Total numbers are 6. P. How many letters? 3 characters. Any numbers? How many numbers? 3 numbers. 3 numbers. Clear? So if I subtract, calculate total and then subtract numbers from this. Clear? So you will have a possible ways related to the numbers. Okay, possible ways related to the numbers, right? So it means that there is another kind of the restrictions. At least one character should be there. अब अच्छा देखो, although I know that कि you are a little bit confused कि how you will solve these questions. ठीक है, अब हम कोई एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Then we will try to solve the questions related to the characters and the questions related to the what? Related to the number series. Okay, so let's start. Yeah. Okay, so just I recall you कि related to the numbers, now you understood कि what kind of the restrictions you may have. Clear? Related to the passwords and characters, what kind of the restrictions you may have, I just briefly recall you. Related to the numbers, के first of all without restrictions he may ask के make a 6-digit number. Clear? Out of 12 numbers or 15 numbers. So without restrictions, just make a 6-digit number. What are the possible ways? Clear? So we can solve it. And there may be the possibility of the restriction is that you have a 6-digit number. Clear? Which never start with 0. This is another kind of the restriction. Am I right? And there is a 6-digit number which is divisible by 5, or there is the possibility which is divisible by 10. And make a 6-digit number, clear, which is greater than 5 lakh, 7 lakh and so on, right? This is another kind of the restrictions. What is another kind of restrictions? Means that your number should end with 0. This is maybe the restrictions. Clear? And your number is a even number. This is another kind of the restrictions. Your number, 6-digit number, must be a odd number. You got my point? And similarly related to the password questions, what kind of the questions or restrictions you may have? First of all, just make a 5-digit password. ठीक है? What are the possible ways? if some letters, characters and numbers are given. ठीक है, you just solve without restrictions. He may ask you कि now there should not be inclusion of password की inclusion of letters in 5-digit password. letters नहीं होनी चाहिए. There is the possibility, another restrictions कि letter should be at first place. letter first place पे होना चाहिए, or you may have the letter or the character should be on the last place. You got my points? These are the possible kind of the restrictions. There is nothing questions except these kind of the questions. First of all, clear in your mind. ठीक है? If you practice or you have a command on these kind of the restrictions or the questions, so you are able to resolve or you are able to solve all kind of the past paper questions without any confusion and any hesitations which are based on permutations. Okay, same kind of the things we will apply in case of the combinations here. So should we start or should we have a break to start for another video? Okay, so I think we should take a break. Okay, in the coming video I will start some techniques related to this past paper questions, कि how you will solve the questions which are related to the number series and the so on. Clear? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, and watch my video and please subscribe my channel, and inshallah hopefully that will be very beneficial or very fruitful for your past paper, for your exams point of view. Thank you so much.